Deleting a repository on GitHub is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your GitHub account, and now we're going to navigate to the far right where we see our display image. We click on that, and then we go to repositories in the new dialog box. Now under repositories, we look for the repository that we want to delete. Once we find a repository, we click into that repository, and then we come to the upper side of it and click on settings. Now in the settings, we have the general tab. We're going to scroll down until we see delete this repository. Now it says once you delete a repository, there's no going back. Please be certain. And we're going to click on delete this repository. We're going to click on I want to delete this repository. We're going to click on I have read and understood the terms. And before you delete, it's going to ask you to type the name of the repo in the box just to confirm that you're not a bot. What I usually do is I just copy the name and I paste it here, and then I click on delete. And just like that, I've been able to delete the repository from my account. And that's how you delete a repository on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.